The demand for portable gear hauling has exploded, appealing to everyone from busy parents to traveling typists and gamers needing to transport heavy rigs, mechanical keyboards, and peripherals to events. This guide evaluates the top folding wagons, analyzing their switch type, the smoothness of the folding actuation, durable build quality, ergonomic layout, cargo volume and handle design, and overall value to ensure your loadout is always secure and mobile. Product number 1, collapsible wagon with wheels. This entry represents the quintessential standard layout utility wagon, serving as an excellent baseline for portable hauling. It is designed for the user who needs immediate utility without a steep learning curve. Much like a reliable entry-level mechanical board, it offers consistent performance for everyday tasks like hauling groceries, park gear, or light office equipment. The switch type, the folding mechanism, utilizes a standard central pull loop design. It provides a tactile, snappy actuation that collapses the wagon in seconds, though it requires 2 hands for a smooth operation. The build quality features a steel frame covered in durable 600D Oxford fabric, which is tough enough to resist tears from oddly shaped cargo like tripod stands or peripheral boxes. The layout is a deep, rectangular bucket that maximizes internal volume, though it lacks external pockets for smaller accessories. The wheels are standard plastic, best suited for pavement or packed dirt rather than deep sand or gravel. Value is the primary driver here. It's a no-frills workhorse that delivers exactly what it promises: easy mobility for moderate loads. It's the perfect starter wagon for those realizing they need a dedicated hauler for their gear. Product number 2, collapsible wagon cart with wheels, foldable. While sharing a generic naming convention with its predecessor, this model iterates on the basic design with improvements focused on terrain versatility. It appeals to the gamer mentality of needing equipment that can handle varied environments, transitioning seamlessly from the parking lot asphalt to the grass of an outdoor venue without getting bogged down. The standout feature here is the wheel layout. Unlike standard narrow wheels, this model typically features slightly wider treads with better rubberized grip. This upgrade significantly improves the rolling experience over uneven surfaces, reducing the vibration transferred to your cargo. The build quality feels slightly more robust in the joint connectors, ensuring less wobble when fully loaded. The folding mechanism, switch type, remains a concertina-style collapse, which is reliable and compacts down to a surprisingly small footprint for storage in a trunk or closet. The fabric liner is often removable for easy cleaning, a major plus after a muddy outdoor event. It strikes a balance between heavy-duty capability and lightweight portability, making it a versatile mid-range option for those who need a bit more ruggedness than the entry-level models provide. Product number 3. MacSports Heavy-Duty Steel Frame Collapsible Folding 150-Pound Capacity. MacSports is arguably the brand that popularized the folding wagon, and this heavy-duty model is the industry standard, the Cherry MX Red of the wagon world, known for reliability and widespread adoption. This is the unit geared towards serious haulers who cannot afford equipment failure in the field. The build quality is centered around its robust steel frame architecture. It feels dense and substantial, capable of handling its rated 150-pound capacity without groaning or bowing under pressure. This makes it ideal for transporting dense items such as heavy PC towers, servers, or large stocks of reference materials for typists on the go. The 600D fabric is denier rated for high durability and is easy to wipe down. The layout features a telescoping handle that locks securely into place, providing good ergonomic leverage for pulling heavy loads, though it lacks a push bar option. The switch-type folding action is exceptionally smooth. The internal scissor joints are well lubricated and engineered for thousands of actuations, ensuring it snaps open and shut reliably every time. It comes at a slight premium, but the investment guarantees longevity and consistent performance. Product number 4. 34-inch extra-long collapsible wagons carts, foldable.
If standard wagons are 10 keyless keyboards, this 34-inch model is the full-sized extended layout. It addresses a specific pain point in gear hauling: length. Standard wagons often fail when trying to transport items like long tripods, rolled-up gaming mats, lighting rigs, or poster tubes. This wagon solves that spatial problem. The primary selling point is the stretched chassis layout. The extra inches in the bed length make a massive difference for awkward cargo that would otherwise have to balance precariously on the edges of smaller carts. Despite the extra length, the build quality maintains rigidity. The longer frame rails don't sag in the middle thanks to reinforced cross-bracing underneath the fabric bed. The folding switch type is impressive because despite the extended deployed size, it still collapses into a relatively compact form factor, surprisingly easy to stash away. The wheels are typically robust enough to support the larger frame. This wagon is a specialized tool. If your loadout frequently involves long, unwieldy items that frustrate standard cart users, the extra real estate provided here is invaluable.
Product number 5. Amazon Basics Collapsible Folding Heavy-Duty Utility Wagon for Outdoor Sports. The Amazon Basics line is renowned for providing utilitarian functionality at a highly competitive price point, and this utility wagon is no exception. It is the membrane keyboard of haulers. It may not have the flashy features or name brand prestige of top-tier models, but it gets the job done reliably and comfortably for a fraction of the cost. The build quality is surprisingly sturdy for a budget-focused item. It features a decent metal frame and durable fabric that exceeds expectations for the price category. It handles moderate loads well, though it may exhibit slightly more frame flex at maximum capacity compared to the macsports option. The layout is standard and functional, often including 2 front mesh pockets for water bottles or small tools, a welcome convenience feature. The folding switch mechanism is a standard center pull tab. It requires a bit more force to initiate the fold than premium models, but actuates reliably once engaged. The wheels are adequate for pavement and light trails.